guys, I'm back again with another video, and today, girl, we're getting into this wig, and I'm so hyped because this wig is bomb. But this wig is from ReadyWig.com, and they sent me this hair, and Lord, this company has to be one of the best companies I've ever worked with. Like, their customer service was just A1. They were so professional, so sweet. Shout out to Diana. I worked with her through this time to get the hair and stuff, and she was amazing. I just want to say a big thank you for her. And also, they gave me a discount code for you guys, so make sure you use my discount code if you want to get some coins off. Who wants to pay the full price when you can get, you know, a discount, period. But yes, guys, I'm not gonna talk y'all to death. I know y'all want to see how I got my hair to look, you know, this amazing, and y'all want to know more about the hair, so I'm going to shut up and we're gonna get right into the video. So we're just gonna jump right into this, guys. Here's the wig from ReadyWig. It is a bob wig and it is curly. You know I love me a bob. A bob. It also comes with its own edges and stuff, so we'll see how that works out. But I'm just gonna open the packaging and show you guys what's inside. So when you open it, they give you this little cute little spray bottle. That's so cute. Like, it's just adorable, and it's pink, so it goes with the logo and stuff. And then there's the wig, and there's a card in here, and then they give you a cap. So that's about it in the box. And I'm about to put this cap on my head because I need one. Oh, there's two caps, and it is one size fit all. Ah, that's clutch. That's clutch. So I'm going to put this on my head. Let me stop playing. So everything's secured, and here's the wig. It comes with some paper inside of it to make sure everything's nice and tight, and it also has a net over it. Here is the lace. It does come with some edges, which are kind of long. The edges are only in this section right here. So I might have to make more around the other way, but yeah. We're gonna cut this lace, and I'm gonna apply it to my head. You just wanna cut as much of the lace off as possible. Push the edges back and just snip, 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 snip. I'm undecided. This is how it's looking. This wig comes with 3 combs in the back. 1, 2, 3. Wait, this is the front. My bad. 3 combs in the front. 1, 2, 3, and straps in the back. I do think I need to apply some like powder on my hair because it's just looking a little white. Take this, which is my Black Radiance contour palette, tap into this dark shade, and I'm just going to pat this into it because child. I think I should just pat it on this also. Kind of being lazy right now. I'm undecided. I'm already feeling this, and it's not even secured. Yeah. find a plug. Well, I'm loving this. Nah. Y'all, give him face. Like, y'all, like, yes, this hair. This hair. Period. Like, you see the slay. You see the slay. I love how the curls just, they just bounce. Like, they just bounce. There was no shedding, guys. Like, no shedding. Like, not even a little bit. I've been running my hands through this hair this entire time. Y'all seen it, and I haven't got any shedding even after doing my edges. Like, after doing my edges, I can see, like, I cut the hair. Normally it has shedding. It didn't even have shedding after that. Like, guys, it's just love. That's just how I feel with this hair. Like, I love it. It's bob. It's a curly bob at that. Come on now. I just feel like life cannot get any better right now. Definitely, if you want to purchase this hair or any hair like it, it doesn't have to be synthetic. They do sell human hair and other products. Make sure you check out ReadyWig.com. I'll have it on the screen, and also I will show you either this side, their website and all their hairs and stuff. I'll also have my code on the screen just in case some of y'all just don't be wanting to go look in the description box. So I'm gonna just put it on the screen for some of y'all that just be acting lazy. Just lazy. But make sure you check them out. Purchase from them if you really like this hair on me, or you want something similar, or maybe you want something that's human hair, because I know not everybody likes synthetic hair. But they have a variety of hair, and after working with them, I just feel like I would love working with them again. Honestly, I would definitely love working with them again after they, like, the customer service and Diana and this hair, like, everything was just perfect. And big shout out to ReadyWig.com. I'm done. Like, that's it about the hair. Make sure you thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, put on that notification bell so you don't miss out on all of this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Period.